In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade options on Thinkorswim. So if you're interested in trading options on Thinkorswim, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So listen carefully as I explain each step because I can show you the platform directly because of the country restrictions, but don't worry, I'll explain everything so you can follow along. So before you can trade options, you need to have a TD Ameritrades account. So this gives you access to Thinkorswim, and then you should apply for options trading in your account settings and then wait for the approval as TD Ameritrades reviews your experience and financial background. And then after that, once approved, you can now log in to the Thinkorswim and then navigate to the Trade tab and then search for the stock or ETF you want to trade options on and then click on the options chains where you'll see available contracts. And then there are different types of option trades, but the two most common are buying calls, buying puts. So for the buying calls, if you think the stock will go up, and then for the buying puts, if you think the stock will go down. So more advanced strategies include spreads, straddles, and higher condors, but for beginners, sticking to buying calls and puts is a good start. So in the option chain, you'll see multiple expiration dates. Choose a strike price based on your market expectations, and then higher strike prices are cheaper, but they are required bigger stock movements to be profitable. And then after that, click on the bid price if selling or the ask price if buying. And then select buy or sell depending on your strategy. And then set the order type. It could be market, limit, or stop. And review the contract details and click confirm and send. And then after that, monitor and execute your trade. And that's it. That's how you trade options on Thinkorswim. While I can't show the process directly due to restrictions, I hope this guide helps you understand the basics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.